In the previous weeks, I created a few NFT collections: Voxel Characters, animated 3D NFTs, 2D doodle art, and trading sport cards animations. Cool folks made in voxel art, inspired by Minecraft and sandbox games, were highly appreciated by NFT community, so I decided to create Voxel Girls, which is my newest 3D NFT collection. I designed 5 layers: head with a few different hairstyles, top body, bottom body, accessories, and background. 100 traits, 10k variations, and this is the final result. The creation of NFT collection consists of 3 simple steps. At the beginning, we establish the details: style, number of variations, traits, the budget, and your extra wishes. Then I create a few ideas of base model. Once you're satisfied and accept the general concept, then I create traits and export the whole collection once you're satisfied in 100% with the results. The number of attributes in the collection depends on your expectations. Usually it's between 50 and 150, but any other number is possible too. My goal is to create really amazing NFT art, so I'm happy to work on a project until you're 100% satisfied with the results. If you want to create your own NFT collection that you can sell on any NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, and you need some help, feel free to contact me. I can create for you 100% original NFT collection, including metadata, ERC721, Solana or Cardano. Enjoy!